Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to insert or remove a SIM card in iPhone 11. So let's get started. Firstly, power off your iPhone 11. Locate the SIM card and tray on the right side of your device. Use the SIM inject tool provided with your iPhone to gently press into the small pinhole next to the SIM tray. Apply a bit of pressure until the tray pops out. Remove the SIM card tray from the device. Place the SIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits properly and aligning it with the tray's shape. Carefully reinsert the tray back into the iPhone until it clicks into place. Power on your iPhone 11. Now, to remove the SIM card, you will need to follow the same process. Power off your iPhone 11 and locate the SIM card tray on the right side of your device again and use the same SIM inject tool provided with your iPhone and gently press into the small pinhole next to the SIM tray and remove the SIM card tray from the device and gently push the SIM card out from the tray and power on your iPhone 11. So, by this process, you can easily insert and remove a SIM card from your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.